Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how to activate dark mode features from your Gmail mobile application, and this feature almost rolling out for all Android mobile devices, but if you are a iOS user, don't worry about it. This update is also available for iOS, and because this email app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. Before going to our tutorial, first of all check if you are using the latest version of Gmail app or not. Once you check it, just click to open it. Now this is the inbox section. You can press that horizontal three icons and one sliding window is opening. Just scroll down and go to settings. Here it shows my all linked Gmail accounts, but you can go to general settings, and finally I get the option called theme. So just click to open it. If you want to get dark mode, just click dark option, and the second one finally you can use. You can see now my Gmail is in dark mode and it is ready to use. So same way you can do this process on your iOS iPhone. So this is the way you can easily activate your Gmail dark mode feature by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Harry Viral, and thanks for watching.